Sometimes they can also go through some abnormality. So it's very important to keep themselves positive and keep on doing simple breathing exercises. Because what is breathing? Breathing is oxygen to the mind, oxygen to the brain. And when you do simple deep breathing exercises from the abdomen, they relax you and they also maintain a healthy lifestyle and a healthy mind state even. So that's really important.
All right. So what role can the society play, Dr. Alia, in not only taking care of the mentally ill, but also making those patients become more willing to accept their problem and seek solutions?
You see, first of all, this taboo that going to a mental health professional is something, a sin or something really bad. It's nothing like that, because lots of people are labeled, oh my God, he's mad, he's going through this thing. I think the people should stop labeling them, and the most important thing is acceptance. People should accept people, and if there is somebody who is like beyond the normal state of mind, they should try to help them and be there for their condolence, for their help, and they should give them their shoulders and try to find mental health professionals whom they can go to and they can sort out their problems. So I think society comes to need forward and accept that mental health is also a problem like physical health. And like they are physical doctors, they are mind science doctors, and if you go to them, you can solve your problems at an early stage. Because if you solve your problems and if you get hold of them at an early stage, then it's better and it's easy to cure them.
Right,
but if things go out of hand, then it becomes really difficult.
So identifying the problem is the first step towards the solution. But let me draw your attention towards the plight of women when it comes to mental illness. Around 29 to 66% of the people in our country who are mentally ill are women. Now, middle age being a problem, surprisingly, even being a housewife is one of the reasons, and so are the relationship problems. Would you like to give some advice to women, being a woman yourself, of course, Dr. Alia, on how to take care of themselves in a society where women are not looked after in a way that...
For the woman to work nowadays, because you see things have become so difficult, everything has become expensive. When women are at home, the men come from the office, they work, they don't understand the woman's problem, that she's been staying at home, looking after the children, looking after the household problem, and she suffers from frustration. And when the husband comes, she just starts talking. So the men need to realize that it's the woman who looks after the house, who looks after the children, and she has her own issues, so she also needs some time. And it's not the quantity time, it's the quality time. And if the women are working, either in schools or doing some household job like opening a boutique or a salon at home, even some small jobs, then they'll be healthy because they are also working. And when the husband and the wife both are working, it's better. But unfortunately, lots of husbands don't support their woman to work outside because they think that if the woman go outside to work, the children will be neglected. But it's nothing like that. Once the children grow up, I think it's very essential for the woman to go out of the house and work. And even if she's staying indoor, she should have some healthy hobby, so that she is busy, and the husband should encourage the woman to have a healthy hobby and spend quantity time and quality time. Right. Like when he comes home from office, they should go together to meet people, they should invite people, sit together and discuss the children's problem. Like this, the frustration of women will be less, and especially teenagers who are suffering from relationship issue. I would like to tell them that relationship is something that just keeps on happening, but they should keep themselves positive, that maybe it is for the betterment that this thing has finished, and they should do positive affirmations to themselves.
The relationships itself is a great learning experience, as you say. Thanks a lot for your very good perspective, advice.